all the things I lost, the things they gave away. And when I'm in a certain mood, I search the heart of love. One night I found these magic words in a magic book. Throw it away, throw it away. Give your love, live your life each and every day, and keep your hand wide open and let the sunshine flow. 'Cause you can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. There's a hand that dropped the ground and hand has sent with a gentle kind of motion, the smooth across the line. Open love, love it brings. So keep your hand wide open if you're never had a thing. Throw it away, throw it away. Keep your love, live your life each and every day, and keep your hand wide open and let the sunshine flow. 'Cause you can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. To what we want and claim, possessing and belong to unknown name. So keep your hand wide open. You never love today, 'cause you can lose it even if you drill all the way. Live your life, keep your love each and every day, and keep your hand wide open and let the sunshine flow. 'Cause you can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. You can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. You can never thing.